Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2024 Volkswagen Polo, stock number 6887. This ran from the 2nd 2022 to the current shape. It has a DXUA 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a DXUA 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front 15-inch factory Omega tyre, front bonnet, left front door mirror, left rear 15-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 15-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 15-inch factory Omega tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-speed leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,